Welcome to my solving special question video. Today I'm going to show you how to approach absolute value and give you some tips. On the question given, if x is less than 0, then find the absolute value x over x plus the absolute value negative x over x. So before getting started, let's remember together the properties of absolute value. So if the number that inside of the absolute value it is greater than or equal to 0, we will take the number and we will write directly. If it is less than 0, if it is negative, so to get rid of vertical bars, we will multiply the number by minus. So here on the question given, x is less than 0, and we will find the absolute value x over x plus the absolute value negative x over x. So if x is less than 0, so it means that here inside of the vertical bar we have a negative number. So how can we get rid of vertical bars? I will multiply x by minus. So it's going to be minus x over x plus x is less than 0, it's negative, so minus x will be positive, right? So how can we prove it? We will multiply both sides by minus. So if x is less than 0, when we multiply by minus, minus x is greater than 0, so it is positive. So if it is positive, we will write directly minus x over x is equal to minus x over x is negative 1 plus minus x over x is also negative 1. So it's going to be negative 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 2. On the second question, if the absolute value x is equal to 3 and the absolute value y is equal to 10, so all we need to do is find the smallest value of x plus y. To solve it, maybe I'm going to show you a number line. So first remember what is the definition of the absolute value. The absolute value is distance between number and the origin. So the absolute value x is equal to 3. So for that we have two different values for x, negative 3 and plus 3, because difference between negative 3 and the 0 and 3, we have 3 units. And we can do the same thing for the absolute value y, and also we have a negative 10 and plus 10. So for x's, there are two different values, negative 3 and 3. For y is negative 10 and plus 10. And we have to find here the smallest value. So I'm going to take both negatives, negative 3 and negative 10. So what is the sum of x plus y? Negative 3 plus negative 10 is equal to negative 3 minus negative 10. It is negative 13.